hidden beneath Antarctica's frozen facade. What lies beneath the ice sheets may surprise you. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey to the bottom of the world to explore the mysteries of Antarctica. This frozen continent, often thought as a barren wasteland, holds many hidden gems that are yet to be discovered. Imagine towering peaks, vast subglacial lakes, and unique ecosystems all buried beneath miles of ice. It's hard to believe that such diversity and beauty can exist in such a harsh and remote environment. But as we peel back the layers of this frozen continent, we'll uncover a world that is truly breathtaking. From the icy mountains that soar above the ice sheets to the subglacial lakes that have been sealed off from the world for millennia, we'll explore it all. We'll delve into the fragile ecosystem that exists beneath the ice and discover how it has adapted to survive in such extreme conditions. So grab your warmest coat and join us as we embark on this thrilling journey to Antarctica, where we'll uncover the secrets hidden beneath the ice sheets and discover the unexpected beauty of this mysterious continent. The Antarctic ice sheet is a truly awe-inspiring natural wonder of our planet. Spanning an incredible 14 million square kilometers, it is by far the largest ice mass on Earth and plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate. But what makes this Antarctic ice sheet so unique, and why is it so important for scientists to study it? One of the key differences between the Antarctic ice sheet and other ice masses, such as the Arctic sea ice, is that the Antarctic ice sheet sits atop a massive landmass. This means that the ice sheet is not floating on the ocean, but rather sits on a continent-sized landmass that is buried underneath the ice. This presents a whole host of challenges when it comes to studying the land beneath the ice, as scientists must first find ways to safely and accurately measure the thickness of the ice in order to gain a better understanding of the land beneath. Another fascinating aspect of the Antarctic ice sheet is the incredible variation in its thickness. While in some areas the ice sheet may be just a few meters thick, in other places it can be thousands of meters thick. This makes studying the ice sheet a daunting task, as scientists must navigate through these vast differences in the ice thickness in order to gain a comprehensive understanding of the ice sheet as a whole. Now here comes the main question. How can scientists study the land beneath the ice? Mapping the land beneath the ice can be a challenging task for scientists, but they have several methods at their disposal to accomplish this. One of the most traditional methods is to physically drill through the ice. This method may be time-consuming and costly, but it is highly effective in providing scientists with vital information about the land beneath the ice. Another method that has become increasingly popular in recent years is the use of radar. By sending radar signals through the ice, scientists can create detailed maps of the land beneath. This method is particularly useful because radar can penetrate the ice and bounce signals off the surface of the land, allowing scientists to see what lies beneath. The third method that scientists can use is the use of seismic waves. Seismic waves can travel through the ice and rock, providing information about the structure and composition of the land beneath the ice. This method is particularly useful in areas where the ice is particularly thick, as seismic waves can travel through the ice more easily than radar signals. By bouncing seismic waves off the surface of the land, scientists can create detailed maps of the land beneath the ice, providing valuable information about the geology and structure of the area. What would happen if we stripped away all the ice from Antarctica? Antarctica, the frozen landmass at the bottom of the world, may appear to be a vast and barren wasteland, but beneath the ice lies a hidden landscape waiting to be discovered. Stripping away all of the ice, the continent would reveal itself to be a collection of mountainous islands, similar in structure to Australia and Malay Archipelago. The Antarctic Peninsula would become the largest of these islands, while Vinson Massif, the continent's largest mountain, would be the highest point. The Transantarctic Mountain Range, which is currently the fourth longest mountain range on Earth, would be barely connected to the main landmass. Over time, the land would change as the crust rebounded from being under such heavy ice for so long, a process called isostatic rebounding. This would result in three main land masses, with the largest measuring 9 million square kilometers, just smaller than Europe. The Peninsula Island and a large highland region would be the fourth and fifth largest islands on the planet, respectively. Despite the removal of ice, Antarctica would still be a barren and inhospitable place. Located at the South Pole, temperatures would be frigid year-round, with the sun never rising above the horizon for half of the year. The soil and arable land would be scarce due to millions of years of glaciation, leaving only sheer bedrock and gravel. The best hope for an ecosystem would be the slow development of a tundra featuring moss and lichens, with the possibility of penguins and other hardy animals like musk oxen and Arctic hares. How much ice is in Antarctica, and why do we need to study it? Picture the vast expanse of Antarctica, a seemingly endless landscape of white and blue. But beneath the surface lies a staggering amount of ice, enough to make your head spin. We're talking about 27 million gigatons of ice. But why is this important? Well, as the ice on Antarctica melts, it contributes to rising sea levels around the globe. On average, every 361 gigatons of ice lost results in a 1 millimeter rise in sea level. So if all of the ice on Antarctica were to melt, it could potentially lead to a sea level rise of 60 meters. But it's not just one big lump of ice. Different regions of Antarctica have different amounts of sea level rise potential. The East Antarctic ice sheet holds the most potential with 53.3 meters, while the West Antarctic ice sheet has a relatively low 4.3 meters. This is because much of the ice on the West Antarctic ice sheet is already below sea level, so it's already displacing water. It's crucial that we keep an eye on the ice in Antarctica, as it holds the key to understanding the future of our planet's oceans. What we know about the land beneath the ice. As we told you earlier, the landmass was last exposed 40 million years ago, and since then it has been covered by ice. Scientists believe that the land beneath the ice is similar to other parts of the continent, with mountains, valleys, and possibly even rivers. Some areas, about 2% of Antarctica, are ice-free, and scientists can study the land in these areas to get an idea of what the rest of the continent may look like. One of the most exciting possibilities about what lies beneath the ice is the discovery of new species and ecosystems. Scientists believe that the land beneath the ice may be home to unique and undiscovered organisms. Additionally, the land beneath the ice may also contain valuable resources, such as mineral and fossil fuels. The discovery of these resources could have significant economic and political implications. The importance of understanding Antarctica. Antarctica, the remote and largely unknown continent at the bottom of the Earth, holds many secrets that scientists are still trying to uncover. But what is known is that this vast and inhospitable land plays a crucial role in the global climate system. The ice sheet that covers Antarctica is the largest on the planet, and it holds enough water to raise sea levels by hundreds of feet. This means that as Earth's climate continues to warm, the melting of the Antarctic ice sheet could have severe consequences for people living in coastal areas around the world. That's why understanding Antarctica is so important. Scientists have been studying the continent for decades, but there is still much we don't know. By continuing to study Antarctica, scientists can gain a better understanding of the Earth's climate system, including how the continent's ice sheets and ocean currents interact with the rest of the planet. This knowledge can help us predict and mitigate the impact of sea level rise on coastal communities. But studying Antarctica isn't just about understanding the potential impacts of climate change. The continent also holds valuable information about the Earth's past. Scientists can use the unique geology and fossil records of Antarctica to learn about how the planet's climate and ecosystems have changed over millions of years. This can help us better understand how the Earth's climate works and how it may change in the future. In addition to the scientific importance, Antarctica is also a symbol of international cooperation and peace. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, established the continent as a scientific preserve and demilitarized zone, free from any military activity. This treaty has been ratified by more than 50 countries and remains a model for international cooperation today. Overall, the Antarctic ice sheet is a natural wonder that holds many secrets beneath its frozen facade. From towering peaks to vast subglacial lakes, the land beneath the ice is a world that is truly breathtaking. Not only is it the largest ice mass on Earth, but it also plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate. Scientists use methods such as drilling, radar, and seismic waves to study the land beneath the ice, which is essential for gaining a comprehensive understanding of the unique and fragile ecosystem and the impact that it has on our planet. Scientists use methods such as drilling, radar, and seismic waves to study the land beneath the ice, which is essential for gaining a comprehensive understanding of the unique and fragile ecosystem and the impact it has on our planet. However, the study of Antarctica is not only about understanding the ice sheet, but also about understanding the Earth as a whole and the impact that human activity is having on it. By continuing to study and understand this remote and largely unknown continent, we can gain valuable insights into the Earth's climate, ecosystems, and history. And by preserving it as a scientific preserve and demilitarized zone, we can ensure that future generations have the opportunity to continue to learn from this unique and valuable part of our planet. Well, that's all for today. We hope you have enjoyed this journey to the bottom of the world and have gained a deeper appreciation for the mysteries of Antarctica. The Antarctic ice sheet holds many secrets beneath its frozen facade, and studying it is crucial for understanding its impact on our planet. If you like this video and want to see more of such content, please do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedback on this video. Also, if you liked it and want to support us, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to continue making more such informative and interesting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.